I was born beside Nonoi, where the river taught me brave. I am a son of water, and I sing what it has left. Oh Nonoi River, oh Nonoi River, 1,000 salutations to the one that shaped my steps. Ever-flowing Nonoi, clear water on my skin. You cool the tired heart, and you wake the land within. The thirsty find your mercy, the farmer finds a spark. Rice fields turn to green again when you move through dawn and dark. You are life, you are hope, you are pride, you are home, you are the blessing that will stand through every season. Nonoi, Nonoi, my river, my soul. Nonoi, Nonoi, you make me feel whole. Nonoi, Nonoi, song of my life, keep flowing forever, keep shining alive. Trees lean close to greet you, gentle wind moves slow. Fish and turtles, birds in flight, find the shelter that you hold. From north to south you wander, from east to west you run, turning separate hearts to one under the same sun. At the end you meet Brahmaputra, carrying the old song on. You make the earth so green again, you make the living strong. But now your heart is hurting, buried under waste and shame. So please do not throw your burden into the river's name. Come, let us make a promise, guard the life that got us to. Never harm the heart of nature, build a greener world with you. Nonoi, Nonoi, eternal river. Nonoi, Nonoi, the pride of Assam. Nonoi, Nonoi, my soul, my dream, keep flowing forever, keep living in me. I was born beside Nonoi, where the river taught me breath. I am a son of water, and I sing what it has left. Oh no, no.